Hey guys, so come with me to get my makeup kit all situated. I look really awful. I'm just trying to clean up, get everything set, not the best angle either. I'm trying out this new tripod thing and I know it really likes to show like behind the scenes, so I'm kind of trying to do that. I feel a little awkward and I feel a little weird. I don't know how like the placement is. It might be too low, it might be too weird, so come with me. I'll try my best to do this, so we'll see if I like this. But anyways, please, again, ignore just how rough I look right now. But here is my makeup brush bag. I have my makeup kit and I have my little trash bag and you guys are coming along. Let's see how we're gonna do this. Let's do this. Again, I have to try my best to do this, but we'll see. Yeah, let's hopefully not fall together. Okay. Not the best angle, but we're trying. We're doing it. All right, hold on. Ugh. Okay. Tough, bad angle. But anyways, we're doing it. We're coming along. It's a little dark. Hold on. All right, give me a sec. Ugh. All right, let's turn these on. Better. Okay, so everything is done here in my kit. Let me make sure that nothing really shifted really bad. No, everything is in its place. All right, let's go down to the basement. That's where I have my chair, my light, my wagon. I have a suitcase and I really want to put more stuff in that suitcase, but then I feel like I'm carrying so much stuff because I have my wagon already. So let's go figure this out. Come with me, we're going downstairs. We'll go in the basement and see. This is kind of weird. I don't know. I feel like it feels interesting to be filming and like doing this. So let's see if I like this or not. I might not like it. I might feel weird about it, but we'll see. So come along with me. We're gonna figure this out. All right, let's see. It's a long journey. It's a long journey, clearly. So let's go in here. Okay. All right. So we're right here. This is kind of like an awkward angle. Okay. So this is my little wagon here. Adorable. Okay, so I have my wagon here. I'm gonna kind of pack everything already in my car except for my makeup kit because I don't want that being there overnight in my car. But I'll put my tables because I have 2 tables that I take with me and my ring light and my chair. It's over there. There's a lot of stuff I carry. So yeah, let's figure this out. Here's my light here. And here's my tripod for the light. So okay, progress. Okay. This is an old bag of a makeup kit bag. If anybody wants it, let me know. It's in good condition, so I don't really need it anymore. I have another kit, so it's there. Hit me up. All right, so these are my favorite tables because you go like, and there they are. Okay, there we go. So they're at this height, right? Yeah. So they're not like super high up, but like at least I still have my stuff because my makeup kit's like this big. So yeah, she'll do. And then to close it, you just have like a little latch like right here, and then it closes before I injure myself. Okay, that was loud. Okay, that's a lot of stuff. Okay, now my chair. So my chair is right here. I know it's in a lot of stuff, so please ignore it. There's not a better place than where I can put my stuff, but in the meantime, this is where my chair is. And I love it how it's very foldable. It's like a, what is it, kind of like a tripod. There's a word for it. I forgot the name of it, but it folds up like this. And it's compact. It's like compact. So I don't know if it's easier or if it's harder, because I know the other ones that fold up, like just fold up in general, you can just carry them. Maybe that would be easier, but whatever. Okay, that's a lot of stuff. So I do have my luggage here. So I have this pink luggage that I don't use, and I was wondering if I should just put stuff in here too. I don't know what would fit though, that's the problem. I could put my light in here, and then the tables won't fit. Maybe my brush kit, my trash bag, my trash can, I mean. We'll see. I think that I have to figure this out. It's just a lot, so I don't know if I want to carry so much crap in general, but we'll figure it out. All right, you guys. Let me get situated and figure this out, and then I'll show you what I decided, and then I'll start packing the stuff in my car. All right, see ya. All right, you guys, we made some progress. So the wagon is a really good idea. It's a little big and annoying, but look at how amazing and sturdy it is. I just have to put in, I have my tables, I have my light, my tripod, or the tripod stand for the light, and my chair. I just have to put my makeup brushes and makeup kit in here, and that's pretty much it. So it's just a little hard because like it's easy to remove it and to like move around and stuff, but like once I get to like to just like to a client's house, I just have to unpack and unload and just do that, which isn't a big deal. I have to do that anyways. But yeah, the wagon is better than trying to maneuver 1,000 things. All right, let's go upstairs and do the final stuff. Let's go. All right, so, oh, come on, out of there. Whew. That was a lot to do, but it's okay. This is what part of being a makeup artist is. This is my workout, so that's nice. So I put everything, and we're gonna put everything in here so I can show you how I actually load and unload. So yeah, so this is my cute little wagon that I got from Amazon. It's obviously super pink, which is so me. So then you can unfold it, so you grab from the middle like this, and it folds up. And then to open it, you just kind of push down like that. Hopefully you guys can see it. Again, I'm learning, you guys, learning. Then you have this little placemat here. You lay at the bottom, and it's all sturdy. Okay, so now let's see. I'm gonna show you guys how I would set this up. So I'm gonna put my tables in here first. Okay, like so. Then I'm gonna do my light on the corner with its tripod holder. Perfect. Then I will do my makeup kit on this side, actually. And then, so actually, hold on. Because I like to put my chair so it's facing me, so I'm not hitting anything when I'm walking. So I got my chair here. So we might have to rearrange this. Let's see. Let me figure this out. So technically, what I'm gonna do, I don't like to have it laying like this, and I wouldn't have it for a long time, but just in the time that we're doing that. Oh, see, I don't like that either. Maybe like that. I don't know why it's hitting the side, so hold on a sec, you guys. I have to rearrange this. We're learning together. So if I go like this, hold up. Do this with my chair, with the light right there. Okay. I got my little trash bag, or trash bin, correction. Put in the corner here. And then my makeup brush set. And then my light will just kind of like sit on top of it. Okay, there you go. Let's see if you guys can see that. So everything is right there. Can you guys see? I'm so sorry. This is like an awkward angle, but my light's right there. Oops. My table's right there. My chair. Can you guys see that? Hold on, let me flip you guys over because it's a little awkward. Okay, I don't know what happened, but anyways. So this is the little wagon. Here is my light, the little tripod, the trash bin, my makeup brushes, my makeup kit, my chair, and my tables all fit right there. And as you can see, I can swivel and move and position. It's like the best little thing out there. I love this thing. So easy to carry so much stuff. And yeah, we're gonna put everything in my car except for the makeup kit. So I'll try to see if I can bring you guys along. I don't know how I'm gonna do this. If I feel awkward, I probably won't. I won't do it, but we'll see. So I didn't bring you guys all the way along to the back of my car because I kind of felt a little awkward. Still learning, but I did put everything in there and it fits, and I have left space for my makeup kit. So that's a good thing. And then yeah, everything actually fits. So hopefully maybe tomorrow I'll like pause in the morning and then I'll show you guys like how I fit it and how it looks in the back of my trunk. And yeah, hopefully you guys can follow me tomorrow. Hopefully I'm not too timid and my clients are okay with me filming. So yeah, hopefully you guys like this. It's very new for me and I feel a little awkward, but kind of playing along with it. So hopefully you guys like it and I continue to do more stuff like this, especially with makeup and beauty. All right, see you later. Bye.